going to be removing a decent amount of wire off each end. We're going to be using our ground rated 16 gauge wire. Always want to give yourself enough room. We want to overlap each end. Then twist together. Tie yourself a knot. So any kind of pull in the ground pulls at the knot and not at your splice. Come over to your other end. Snip off. Remove equivalent amount of wire casing. Overlap each end first. Twist together. And tie your knot. Now I'll remove just a little bit of that excess wire. You will get your wire nut put on each end so it's nice and secure. And then cap it with your DBYs. They're filled with a waterproof gel. You go down into that cylinder as far as you can get it. Pull the wire out on each side and close them off. Now you have a nice waterproof splice. Then bury your wire a couple inches in the ground and you're all set.